Hi guys, it's Linda here, back to make a simple makeup look. I am sorry I've been gone for so long. To be honest, I'm going to be honest with you guys, I got a little discouraged. I don't know why, just sometimes it happens. I got discouraged and I thought like, why am I even doing this? I'm not even that great at makeup. You know, the usual self-confidence issues that sometimes come upon us. So that's why I haven't been recording, but we're back and we're gonna get these videos out there for you guys. Today I was doing this simple makeup look, so I hope you guys like what you see and continue watching the video. Okay guys, so I'm gonna start off with the Farsali. I got this for Christmas. My sister bought it for me. I love her. What you want to do is shake it well so it can get everywhere, all the good stuff. And then I just put a couple drops on my hand as a, I put 4. And I just, whoops, I like to put it on my face as a primer. I feel like it works so good. And then for me that I don't use foundation, it really helps too with the concealer. My headband's coming off. Oh well. So we're gonna go ahead and after putting that on the face, we're gonna start out with the brows using the usual Anastasia Dip Brow and Anastasia number 12 eyebrow pencil. And as you guys can see, I messed up right here. And I'm just going to clean that up with my BH Cosmetics Studio Pro Concealer. So don't worry about it if you mess up. It's always easy to clean up right after. I keep on wanting to twist this. It's just pop on, pop off. But I keep on wanting to twist it. It's funny. So you go ahead with a little bit of concealer and you clean them up. sisters, not twins. Okay guys, now I'm gonna go in with the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette. I gotta wipe this stuff off of my hand before I get it everywhere, because knowing myself, I will. Okay. Okay. And now with my blending brush, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna start in with Summer Yum. Off the excess. I need my other mirror so I'm not covering you guys. Where did it go? I'm gonna go in with Charmed, I'm sure, to deepen it up. Whew. Came all this way. Caitlin, what are you doing? Okay. Now I'm gonna go in with my eyeshadow shade, which is gonna be Candied Peach. It has a little bit of shimmer in it, if you can see. It's this color right here. Pack it on the lid, and that's gonna go under the waterline as well. Wrong mirror. Then you're gonna go ahead and blend that out. Make sure it's all seamless. One thing I'm gonna say, guys, is that my eyeshadow never completely looks exactly the same unless I cut the crease because of my birthmark right there. And honestly, I don't mind it. I don't know if I'm already used to it, so it doesn't really bother me. I don't really mind it. Unless I cut the crease, that's when I can cover it a little bit more, but it's not like I always cover it. Like I said, it doesn't really bother me. So now we're gonna go ahead and do the eyeliner. I want to do black. If you guys have any recommendations on a new waterline black eyeliner that's like really black, let me know in the comments down below, please. I actually really like this one, but I'm ready to try something new. So, give me some recommendation, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and curl my eyelashes. I think I am going to give falsies another try because a girl needs bigger and fluffier eyelashes. Going in with my usual roller lash, sorry, and then I'm gonna hit it with their reels. So I like to double on mascara. Sorry, one thing I like to do is after they dry for a little, I hit it with a just regular spoolie. I feel like it flares out my eyelashes more. And then I hit it with the third wheel. See? I feel like you can brush them kind of however you want them to be, and it gives a better effect. You could also do it like with a really old mascara. That's what I used to do it with, like a dried up one. I just used the brush. Move on to the lower lash, and for that I'm gonna get this small pencil brush. And I'm gonna go in with the same color. And we're gonna go underneath the lash line. And I'm gonna use Moonlight. This is such a beautiful color, guys. Watch. A little really goes a long way. And now from there, I'm gonna highlight my face, and then we'll see what we'll use for our lips. For my face, I'm gonna go with Radiant. For my lip liner, guys, I'm gonna go in with MAC In Control. There you go. In Control. And align my lips. Okay, and now I'm gonna go in with Frickin' Frack by ColourPop. It's their satin formula. Okay guys, this is the completed look. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Oh, I almost forgot. I'm just gonna spray my face with this Peach Cosmetics Studio Pro makeup setting spray. So I'm gonna go ahead and, whoa, that was on my neck, not on my face. Douse my face with this. I really want to buy the Mario Badescu Rose Water. I hear wonders about it, so I think I'm gonna go buy that soon. But so far, this is my completed look. I hope you guys liked it. It's simple, it's easy. Just wanted to do something simple for today, since I'm not doing anything too big either. Alrighty guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.